G'day guys, welcome back to Off-Road Crusader. This episode we're going to be installing the Kaon pet barrier into my Landcruiser 200 series. This barrier is not designed to be a cargo barrier like you traditionally would think of one. This is a pet barrier. It is mainly there just to stop light cargo and your dogs and cats and I don't know, moose from jumping from the back into the middle seats there. Which for me with 2 dogs and now a baby is becoming more and more important. So this one here, I ran a Kaon pet barrier in my 120 series Prado earlier. Really liked it. Super quick and easy to install and easy to remove as well if I needed to carry large loads or whatever. So I've gone ahead and done the same thing with Kaon. This one here is a bit more of an instructional video of how to install it, because I think it's super easy, and in this one they've made it even easier than it was in the Prado. So come along, we're going to show you how to install it. First thing we're going to do is remove these headrests. So we have a button there that you hold down, lift the whole headrest out. We're then going to take this bracket here, which is designed to go where the headrest holes are, and you want this nut here to be facing upwards. So that's going to sit there. We're going to put our headrest through it like this, slide it through, and that's going to go back in the headrest there. Easy. Repeat for the other side. Next you're going to take your button head bolts with the Allen key bits on top and a large washer, and you're going to use these to affix the cargo barrier to the headrest through this hole here. Make sure the warning signs on the cargo barrier are facing outwards, and these just need to be done up finger tight for now. And you can see how even now there is a little bit of left and right adjustment to make sure it marries up to the sides on there too. Next step is going to be installing the grab handle brackets. These ones here are left and right specific. You'll figure out pretty quick which is the right one, but essentially you want this kind of curving inwards to match up with there. So all we're going to do is go over the grab handle there, basically put our plate in place with the nutset on the top. You're going to have your bolt here with the plastic handle and knob on the end there. There's a little anti-rattle washer. I'm going to use that as well. So we're going to line that up on there. I'm going to go the middle hole for now and just line that up and screw her in. There we go. Takes a bit to get there. I'm just going to leave that loose for now. Again, this is just in the middle position. Now the penultimate step, you can see there's a hole in here. Basically there's a little 10mm nut. That one there that needs to pass through from the outside there. And that lines up with a nut set on the inside there. So we'll do that one now. Not a lot that I can show you on this one, but believe me, it's there. So the final step is literally just tightening all the bolts. We want to basically adjust this left and right as needed. Using the adjustment in the handles up the top there, you can move it forward and back to adjust. So when you have the back seats there tilted, or if you're sliding them forward and back as well, if your 200 series has that option. So for me, I mean, there's pretty much bang on with this side here. The other side, I need to basically slide this top adjuster forward. So there's 3 holes of adjustment up there, that's what I'll do. With the top handles now in position, there's a little bit of movement left and right on there. All we're going to do is take a 6mm Allen key and we can basically tighten these nuts on the back here. So I want mine to sort of sit around there. And we're going to tighten these 10mm up the top. And there you go, install pretty much done. All I had to use was a 10mm spanner and a 6mm Allen key. So there it is, the quickest and easiest install I think I've ever done. It's one of the very few products I've ever found that is completely bolt-on, easy to do, which I love a lot. Kaon do some awesome products. I'll leave a link to this Kaon barrier down in the description. Definitely check them out. Kaon are doing some awesome stuff with some 4-wheel drives down here in Australia. And yeah, if you want to keep following on, make sure to like and subscribe to Off-Road Crusader. I'm here on YouTube, I'm on Instagram as well, also on Patreon for those absolute legends that want to keep supporting there. Thank you for my current Patreons. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks guys, have a good one.